Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and this is a quick guide to dealing with pests in the garden. For this video, we picked out 3 common problems that you might run into. 3 of the most common garden pests are aphids, scale insects, and mealybugs. Aphids are sap-sucking insects that look like little flies and are quite well known in the gardening world. Scale insects are also sap-sucking, but work quite differently. They stay attached to the plant and have a waxy shell-like cover. Mealybugs are more common in greenhouses, but can also attack garden plants. Some of the control options are very similar for each of these pests. For example, you might want to remove any dead or infested leaves as and when you see them to keep populations under control. When it comes to aphids, chemicals should only really be used in very bad cases, but there are chemical control options for all 3 of these pests. For aphids and scales, you could use a plant oil winter wash to get rid of any overwintering eggs from about November to early February. For all 3 of them, there are pesticide sprays available, just make sure to always follow the instructions carefully. Most pests you'll find in your garden will have natural enemies that you could introduce to keep their numbers down. For example, ladybirds have been known to control all the pests that we've spoken about today. Biological control like this tends to be preferred over chemical control, but it all depends on your personal situation. If you're looking for any more information or tips on gardening, be sure to check out our other educational articles and videos on our website. Thank you for watching and enjoy your garden.